Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a quick and easy, healthy and simple breakfast which is high in protein and nutrient dense. This filling breakfast will keep you fuller for a longer time and thus it helps in weight loss. I'm using 2 egg white and 1 yolk, 1 green chili chopped, 1 onion chopped and a handful of spinach which I got from my balcony garden. So into the egg, that is 2 egg whites and 1 yolk, I'm adding in little salt, the chopped green chili, the chopped onion, and now with a spoon I'm just whisking the eggs. Add in a few drops of water. This will help to make the egg very soft, and a fat pinch of turmeric powder. Now again give it a mix. Heat a cast iron pan and I'm adding in about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of coconut oil and just swirl the pan so that the oil is nicely coated. The cast iron pan I'm using is well seasoned, so make sure you use a seasoned cast iron pan. I'm adding in the egg. Into that I'm adding in the sliced spinach. And now I've put the flame on the lowest and I'm just going to quickly scramble it. So along with the eggs getting cooked, the spinach will also get wilted and cooked. Once the eggs are scrambled and the spinach is cooked, turn off the heat. And I'm serving this with 1 slice of my homemade bread. Now instead of spinach you can add a handful of sliced mushrooms. Now sprinkle in a fat pinch of black pepper powder and my healthy and quick breakfast is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.